In this video, I will show you how to fix disk write error on Steam. Open Windows Search and type Task Manager. Then click on it. Go to Details tab. Find Steam. Right-click on it and select End Process Tree. Confirm by clicking End Process Tree again. Open Windows Search and type Steam. Right-click on Steam and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to confirm. If it doesn't help, then open a Steam library and find the game with the issue. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete and check whether the issue is resolved. If it's not, click Steam in the top left corner and go to Settings. Navigate to Downloads tab. Set download region to one closest to your location. Scroll down and click Clear Download Cache, then click Confirm. If it also doesn't help, then I will highly recommend you to reinstall the whole Steam application. Install Steam from the official website, restart your computer and launch Steam again. That's it. Your issue should now be fixed. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.